Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a domain and hosting from DreamHost easily. First, click the link in the description to visit DreamHost's official website. This link will apply the best available discount for you. Once you're on the site, go to the web hosting section and select a plan that fits your needs. If you're a beginner, I recommend the shared starter plan for an affordable and reliable option. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a domain name. Enter your desired domain, and if it's available, click Add. DreamHost also offers a free domain for the first year with some plans. Now, review your hosting plan and select any additional features if needed. You can add domain privacy, email hosting, or other services based on your preference. Sign up with your email and set up your payment details. You can choose from different payment methods. Once everything looks good, click Submit to complete your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully purchased your domain and hosting from DreamHost. Now, you're ready to build your website. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get the best discount. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.